Eye to eye.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Just go. One up. Alright.
That's what I
Good morning,
1,
MAS
2,
261. We are Team Dunno, and we are here to explain what the different scales of measurement are. My name is Walsh.
My name is Lewis.
My name's Chris.
And we use these different methods to organize data cleanly for analytic purposes. There are 4 different scales that we may use to organize this data, those being nominal, ordinal, interval, and through a ratio. Since this topic is on page 7 in our textbooks, we can infer that this topic is not only easy, but also fundamental to our understanding of statistics.
Alrighty, so for right now, we're going to explain what the nominal scales are, and they're used to categorize something by name.
1, 2,
So
3.
this really doesn't exactly have to do with numbers entirely, per se, but it does have to be about something of the same example or the same sample. So
1, 2, 3.
it doesn't have to be about the same topic. But,
My shot.
so for today, what we're going to use for an example is about the beer pong shot. So we have our classic forehand shot, where they just throw it normally. We have our, in some special cases, we have our behind the back shot, where one will throw it behind the back to try and go for it. And then our third shot is called the bounce shot. Now, for each kind of different category we have a different name, thus the nominal scale, coming from the Latin root nomen, which is for name. And for another final shot, if you want to be a jerk about it, you got it. Alright, let's...
Hey everyone, so now we have ordinal scales. Ordinal scales are where sets of data display nominal properties, and the actual ranking of the data is important. So each of us are given rankings. Chris is number 1 because he's the tallest. I'm number 2 because I'm shorter than Chris. And Walsh is number 3 because he's the shortest of the group. This method of categorization is what makes the measurement scale ordinal. So as you can see, we have Chris on this side, the tallest, and Walsh on this side, and it goes in order. Thank you.
An interval scale is where data has the same properties as ordinal data, and the interval between values is expressed in terms of a fixed unit of measure. For example, in our Pong tournament, when Lewis beats Chris by 3 cups, the interval between him and Chris is 3. If I play in the same tournament and beat Chris for 2nd place by 2 cups, the interval between Chris and Lewis remains 3, but the interval between me and Chris is 2.
Next one.
So now we have the ratio scale. The ratio scale is a scale of measurement for a variable. The existing data possesses the properties of interval data. The 2 values are meaningful. This scale requires that a 0 value exists to show that nothing exists at the 0 point. In Pong, for every 4 cups Walsh hits, Chris will hit 2 shots. This gives a ratio of 2 to 1, therefore showing that Walsh is a certified Pong professional, while Chris puts up amateur numbers. Chris is very upset about this.
Keep going, let it down.
Hey Math 261, we hope you enjoyed our presentation on scales of measurement. Our disclaimer is that we did not use any alcohol in the production of this film. We used water in all the cups. We hope you guys enjoyed our video and found it somewhat relatable. Thank you.